Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MasterChef mini fridge. This thing is beautiful. It is wrapped beautifully. I so far have no complaints about it. But enough said. Let's get this bad boy open. Alright. So first thing I'm noticing as I open the top of this is beautiful styrofoam, you know, all around here. Oh, it cracked a bit. But when you see cracks in your styrofoam, that just means the styrofoam's doing its purpose. Alright? It's protecting the fridge. The fridge is well protected. And hold on, we might have to get a deeper look into this. Oh, smokes. What? Did they know about this? They don't know about optimal box making. Alright. Chat. Look at this fridge. Oh, it's shocking. Static electricity. Alright. Okay, so it's a beautiful mini fridge. What can I say? Big shout outs to Pedro. Big shout outs to all the homies at Universal Fabricating. It wouldn't have happened if it weren't for those guys. So definitely a big shout out. And as I'm taking this wrapping off, I would like to announce my sponsor today, Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is the best RPG game you can get out on the mobile store. Raid Shadow Legends has thousands of characters to choose from. My favorite would be Grom. He is the best one. He's just an absolute beast on the board, right? Alright. So I'm getting this fridge open here. Apparently I don't know how to open a fridge. Ignore my mess. Yeah. Get a closer look at that. Hold up. Zoom in on this. Zoom in on this thing. A little closer. What's in store for the future? What's in store for the future? It's a monster.
What's the cubic volume of the fridge?
2 by 8.
2 by 8.
Yeah.
It's cubic volume?
It's pretty good. But
2 by 8. It's cubic volume.
And what formula did you use to figure that out?
The Pythagorean theory?
it was like, yeah, something like that. I am not gonna lie, I just whipped that one out of my ass.
Well, I said it.
Oh, chat, look at this. Oh, shit. Whew. Look at that. So, we could fit monsters stacked up right over here. Monsters here. Monsters here. Monsters here. Oh, what could we fit here? Maybe some more monsters. We're definitely gonna rank that shit up to the max. You know what I mean? Oh, it is at the max. You can go past max. Look at that. That's incredible. Very well put together fridge. Big shout out to Pedro and Raid Shadow Legends. It's a beautiful fridge.
I like this.
So I actually do this. Jason's unboxing.
Yeah.
Every time we get Universal Fabricating products.
What advancements do you think this will have in the company?
Definitely. Well, as the days get longer, the more monsters you drink, right? And nobody wants to drink a warm Monster, am I right?
Right.
So, as Pedro has continuous improvements, he realized that how are we going to enhance our Monster drinking? That's what continuous improvements is all about. And he was like, mini fridge. Because we don't got space for a real fridge.
That's clutter, right?
Yeah, that's too much clutter. So, as I'm looking around here, I'm trying to figure out how I can get this wrap off. I do not like this feature by MasterChef Mini Fridge. But other than that, it looks like a good fridge.
Will MasterChef slander be tolerated?
Oh yeah.
Indoors, Steven? Indoors?
I'd say it would be enhanced.
That doesn't make sense.
No, slow.
Is someone running a chicken thing?
Hey, so somebody get the mic over here.
That looks really weird from this angle.
Oh, sock me again, dude.
It's weird from every angle.
This fridge is full of static electricity. Which is a good sign. That means it has a lot of power. The more static electricity, the more power.
Will it transfer that electricity
It's
into
not-
our monsters?
It's now a good time to announce that this fridge is ran by static electricity. It's the only thing it runs on. No plugs, no nothing.
How do you charge it?
A lot of friction in the area. Static electricity. You go up to a rug and you go like, and then you touch the fridge. Trust me, it works.
Hey, second sponsor. Is this doing anything right now?
All right. As I'm taking this off, I would like to announce our second sponsor of the day, NordVPN. NordVPN is probably one of the best VPNs I have used out there. And as a guy like me, I like to travel a lot. And how do I know that I'm using a safe Wi-Fi when I go to, say, a restaurant or something? Well, NordVPN has this new feature. It tells you if your Wi-Fi is a trusted source or if there has been any recent hacks on the Wi-Fi. Yeah, you could also get NordVPN Pro, which if you use code DIMES, and if you use code DIMES, you'll get 10% off on your NordVPN Pro subscription. Now, let's get back to the fridge over here. I'm gonna take it out of the bottom thing. Hey guys, while you're watching me do this, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss out on any future unboxing videos. Alright, so as I'm getting this unboxed, I've realized, where did they put our power source? I was just shitting you guys about that static electricity thing. Just a joke.
That's funny. Good
Oh.
joke.
What?
Good joke.
Yeah. I think they fell for it. So, we're gonna look back here. And here we can see we got a one-of-a-kind plug. It might not work in in an extension cord. It might work in an extension cord. I have to see. Now, does anyone have a measuring tape on them? I want to measure this cord. All right. Big shout out to Danny. He's behind the camera. Wonderful cameraman. This cord is approximately give it about 160 millimeters. What? Plane has hit the second tower. Everybody, evacuate. All right, thanks.